want to thank Senator Portantino, with whom we have worked on this bill to create a path towards more socially responsible investments for agencies who are enrolled in the state's retirement systems, stated Glendale City Council member Ardy Kassakhian. There have been similar ideas for divestment legislation in the past. However, the true credit comes from our own history here in the Golden State during the 1980s, when then Assembly member Maxine Waters introduced a bill to divest from South Africa based on their abhorrent human rights record that most of us know as apartheid. It was the son of Armenian Genocide survivors, George Deukmejian, who was governor of our great state at the time, who worked across the party lines to ensure that California's investments did not prop up a racist regime. The City of Glendale has already voted to divest itself from many financial interests in Turkey and Azerbaijan, and it is my hope that our state will allow others to do the same. It helps put California on the right side of history once again and to lead the way for others, just as we always have. Senator Portantino drafted SB 457 after discussing with Glendale City Council member Ardy Kassakhian the initiative he brought forth to the Glendale City Council to divest investment dollars from the Republic of Turkey.